I opened the charts to see that 800 and something spike and just went, well, that's cool, that's cool. Let's just go with this, I guess. What the heck? Absolute insanity, but it's good insanity, so it's okay. Hey, Diogo, what's up? Yeah, you are the first. You got a special one ready. Just for you.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Ah, shoot, I thought I'd done everything. So close. First perk. Hey Kieran, what's up? How are we doing? How goes it? Are we all ready for today? I'm sorry, that spike. Diogo, were you trading that? If so, damn. Just damn. Literally insane. Absolutely insane. Cool to know that this one actually would have worked out. Very interesting. But it would have worked out. Now, so I gotta find my mind again after seeing that spike. Cool to know that I kind of called it. You did? Did you get in on the long? Please say you got in on that long. Oh, you were watching news. Okay, but did you trade it? Also, do you think this is going to last? It's a bit of a bleak thing to ask, but me. Can tell you for funsies that this is London low right here. Okay, here's midnight open. Yeah. I don't quite know what else to say. I think that's it. I don't quite know what else to say. Let's do a top to bottom analysis, quick sticks, but everything's low-key been marked. I mean, let me mark this tippy top over here. I'm not gonna label it, I'm just gonna mark it out here. Because that will definitely be a point of interest. I mean, there's all of that now. There's all of that. Oh, no, Diogo, no, I'm so sorry. Gib, what's up? How are we doing? Okay, points on short. Good grief. I'm at another short TP at 4196. Okay, so basically into the new weekly opening gap. Is that what you're thinking, Diogo? Ah, that's okay, Kieran. That's okay. Well, let's have a quickie looky see. Yes, I said quickie looky see like a normal human being. That's what normal people do and say, right? Yeah, cool. Okay, top to bottom analysis. Yeah, I'll leave that on. So, daily. Well, I mean... there's all those imbalances gone. So either this is gonna just keep going up or now we go back down. Yeah. Just... sorry, I'm getting comfy over here. That was... unexpected, to say the least. You're doing a little challenge to yourself. Okay, what's the challenge? I'm super curious. What's the challenge? For anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hope you are amazing. Did ES also? Okay, yeah, ES also had a jump and a half over there. So daily now looks balanced. Great. 4 hour. Well, clearly, we still have a lot of imbalances going on down here. That being said, there's also some imbalances still to the buy side, but cool. Cool. 1 hour, I guess the question is it gonna go full all the gaps or is it gonna keep going up? Wow. An imbalance up here, otherwise everything's now to the short side. Sorry, yep, I was correct. Ooh, 15 is what I wanted. So 60 margin today, I'm at 95. Nice, okay. Hey Gok, what's up? How you doing? Hey Shub Shub. RSI is on overboard. Okay, Diogo, so you think this is gonna just keep going back down? I mean, potentially. Like I said, it does have to fill that now. Seriously. Just... seriously. Okay. 5 minute looks like Sue. And okay, back to the 1 minute. Awesome. I think the cells should come into play now. It took out all the buy side imbalances I was looking at. So yeah, anyways. Cool, 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 cool. Let's do this thing chicken wing. Trump be like, thank you. Just need to break 24152, then we're going a roller coaster. Oh, 24152. Do you think it's gonna go all the way down there though? Hello, sweetie pie. There's a little berry. Done, 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 done. Cool. We're ready. We're ready. They need to fill that huge fair value gap. Yes. They really, really do. It's up. Low-key speechless. That's what I kind of am. I'm kind of speechless. That's insane. But we now have... okay, not bad. We have a few minutes still to go before New York Open. Hear me out. Do we think New York is actually going to have now some volatility after this happened? Because, seriously? Do you think this means the oil prices and things are still going to go up if everything is going to calm down? I think that's also a bit of a question. Do you think everything's going to now calm back down again, or are we still at risk? Asking for a friend. Okay. We now have a few minutes. Anyways, how was everyone's weekend? How's it all been going? Is everyone doing amazing? Or meh? Are we kind of at a meh point right now? Okay, 6 minutes to go before New York Open. Okay, I'm gonna just keep an eye out to see what happens. Just finished a test. Oh, nice. I think it kind of sounds yucky. Yo, I can't remember the last time I had a test. All I remember is that test caused me all...
emotional damage.
Yeah, 100%. I was not a fan of tests at all, but that's okay. We just continue. Let's see what we get. It's being awfully quiet. Are you guys good? I use ChatGPT. Teachers don't care if you use ChatGPT. That doesn't sound right. Just saying. That doesn't sound quite right. Swapping to micro this morning, 100%. Why? Nickbot? Why? Why are you swapping to micros? From what? Wait. From NQ or from minis? Yeah. Just to de-risk a little bit. Makes sense. Because this is all very interesting. To put it nicely. So there's a storm headed this way right now, which is going to be super duper interesting. So if I kind of just disappear, it's because lightning has arrived and I'm going to protect my PC. So if I just kind of go, okay, I gotta go by, it's because there is lightning that has arrived and I'm not about to, you know, let my PC go bye-bye. Minis. I trade 2 minis at a time typically, but this is way too volatile for that. I mean, that's valid, Nick. That is extremely valid because this is some scary stuff. I actually wonder where the 50% of this... It's kind of giving me a headache just looking at this right now, but it's okay. We're going to continue. We're going to continue. It's going to be fine. We just continue, we just trade like normal. We have 3 minutes to go. Let's see what we get from this. I wonder if things are gonna start... No, probably not. I was gonna say, I'm wondering if things are gonna start becoming more quote-unquote a normal now, but I kinda wanna say no. Just account blowing volatility or something like that. You know what? That's valid. That is amazing. You know, just a something to get your week started. Why not, right? Why not? Trump just hit all my bullish targets. Damn, so OTT, same. I went to the daily now and I was like, oh, everything I wanted to see it take has been taken. On the 4 hour, there's still a little bit of an imbalance to the buy side and that super itty bitty doji that I kind of want to see it hit. But apart from that, yeah, so I would have to say bears are in play. What about you, OTT? Hey, Debbie, what's up? What do I do now? I guess I'm short. OTT? I'm also like, cool, that just blew through everything I was kind of interested in, so I guess we just continue, and yeah, we just continue, right? Ooh, okay, basically a minute to go. Trump is a man, as soon as he speaks, the markets pop. I don't quite know if we should be singing happy praises right now, but let's see. OTT, so I was thinking, do you think this means the petrol price is still gonna skyrocket here? If everything calms down. Do you think it's still gonna skyrocket, or do you think we're gonna then be fine? I still think it's gonna skyrocket because, you know. But, oh my gosh. I swear, I am one with the sun. So it's cloudy now, so my brain's going, it's nighttime. It's not nighttime. It is definitely not nighttime, but because it's now cloudy. I need to slow down. I need to slow down. Just woosah. Because it's cloudy, my brain has gone, it's nighttime. And I'm like, no, it's not. The sun is still up. It's just covered by clouds. This is the largest pump I've ever seen from a tweet. It's totally night. I'm Louis. Maybe where you are. What time is it? Oh! Ah! I'm late. I got distracted.
Okay, let's go.
Okay. Like I said, it's gonna skyrocket and the government makes the cash. Yep. Whoa, look to that. Look to that. Look at that bob to bob action straight off the freaking bat. Let's see if it taps in there. 16. Oh, not yet. 12 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. It's not the best opening I've seen, but it is what it is. Okay, 9:30 range. Let's see what we get. I guess my next purchase is the Walkmobile. Yeah, that's the OTT facts. It has to come down or it'll push inflation under. That happens global recessions. Without a doubt, no government can afford that with national debt. Hey Red, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How you doing? How's it going? Hope you are amazing today. Okay, decent rejection. Let's see, damn, it's being rather quick with these bob to bob levels right now, but let's give it a second. Give it a little bit of time. How's this look? I know this is just opened. 9:30 range. Boop, 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 boop. 1 minute. Good rejection. So it's gonna go back down now. I think. Right, let me not say it so confidently. I suspect it's gonna go back down now. Everything I say is a little bit, you know, could not. From what I've observed, this could definitely go back down now, but sure, won't even be worth taking this bob to bob. I mean, this is not a great opening. Do we think it's actually going to now just be choppy after that huge pump earlier? I wouldn't be surprised. Red, no, I don't trade crypto, sorry. Well, definitely not yet. Well, yeah. No, don't trade crypto. Maybe one day when I'm big and brave, I will look into crypto. But for now, while I'm still figuring things out, we stay here. Alrighty then. So let's see, 9:34. So 5-minute candle is basically the 9:30 candle, unless this does something magical now. Ew, this is yucky. This is disgusting. This is not the price action you want to be seeing right now. Okay, we're getting there. 30 seconds left. We're gonna get some oomph going. Hey, chill dude, I am 21. Are you older than me? I am, chill dude. I am older than you. Trump said they were talking peace and Iran instantly denied it. What? No, I just saw what Trump said. I didn't see that Iran said that it's not true. No. I think you might get a move back up to the 700s. Probably will get chopped for a bit. Okay, well, let's wait for confirmations before we jump into things, right? How's this look on the 5-minute now? I mean, that 5-minute opening candle just looks amazing. Absolutely amazing. Okay, here's that bob to bob, potentially. Let's see if it taps all the way down into there. Let's see if it's true or not. Aaron has officially said that he made it up and there were no peace talks. Market manipulation if I had to guess. Oh no, I was getting so hopeful. My onus? What's up? Market is worse this year. Yeah. Just 2026, man. 2026 started with a bang. That's putting it quite politely here. Is there a fact check on this? I'm super curious if this is true now or not. Dark Angel, what's up? How are you? Dark Angel, did you see that candle? I don't even actually know what to call it. Just that... yeah. That FU candle, for lack of a better word. It's an FU candle. I enjoy some range on today after all that movement. I agree. It's actually what I was thinking was gonna happen. I thought, rangy, here we go. So I'm gonna wait for some more confirmation before I jump into anything. I mean, I did have a bit of a green trade earlier, so I don't have to get a trade in during New York. It would have just been nice. But, you know, I don't think the market cares about what I want. Those are yes. Oh, these right here are a few candles. Well, what would you call... what would you call this then? That I don't even actually know. I don't think an FU candle quite describes that. Would be interesting to see how it reacts at this imbalance here. Let me actually mark this out. Because I mean, that's an insane jump. There's literally nothing here. Nothing. That is an absolute insane volume imbalance right there. I'm very curious to see what it does. Maybe that's the goal. I wonder if it's gonna want to head back down there. Whee! Whee! Okay. Okay, enough messing around. Let's see what we get. Still struggling. This is the 9:30 and the 5-minute candle. Everything, congrats. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Dark Angel. That's a liquidity void, they'll fill it. I know, but do you think it's gonna reject solidly off of that? I know it's like a magnet there. It's a solid magnet. But the question is it gonna reject properly off of it, or is it just gonna be like... I was in that explosion, I said I found it, I was lucky. Were you... Please say you had like a runner or something. How much did you get off of that? I use those for TP areas. Ah, smart. Because they're like magnets, right? Similar-ish to the Midnight. Do you use the Midnight Open, DJ? Don't think I've actually asked. Still struggling over here. Whoa. I didn't even clock that doji over there. I'm missing a candle. I'm missing the 938 candle. You know, TradingView does that sometimes, but it is what it is. I just took a sell here because no, Louis, no, you're not stupid. It's okay. I do make sure I know where it is. Okay, awesome. Because that is also below. So technically, the shorts should be in play today. Technically, but you know. Oh wait, has the first presented actually even presented itself? Sorry, charts, I know I keep jumping around. No. Wait. No. This doesn't, no, I can't count that as a freaking first presented nothing. Is this it? Okie dokie. Okie dokie. Wait for the retest. That was just such a solid rejection. I don't like that wick. Sorry, I'm super focused right now. I'll respond to everyone ASAP. 5 minute. Oh gosh, okay. Don't love this. I'm not loving this. Oh, it's still breaking above the 50%. This could be going up. Oh, okay. As I say, this could be going up. I was just looking at this for entry for a long. Probably there. Let's make it an even 2-hour trade. Yeah, literally bottom of the wick there. 1 to 2 hour. I didn't take this because on the 5 minute this does not look great. Not a nice engulfing. Doesn't look great on the 5 minute. I would like something a little bit cleaner, especially because I'm still in a way forward testing it. Let's see if this would have worked. But I would have preferred something cleaner on the 5 minutes. I mean, like I said, a freaking solid rejection off of the 50s zone, 50% zone. Hey, Gagan, what's up? How you doing? I got 6 USD with risk. My account size is only 6k, so it may seem small. No, that's not bad at all. What the heck, chill, dude? That's good. I don't even know how much I'm up today. Not that much. What was I on? 7 something. I'm not even up $100 today, so it's good. You good? I can't close, but now back to work for me. Be safe. Cheers, Dark Angel. Thank you for popping by. You were a sweetie pie. Yep, that would have taken me out. Might be a trash Monday. I know, OTT. I'm watching this going. I mean, I went up a tiny bit today, but a tiny bit being the key word, right? Yeah, okay, I'm not loving this. We haven't even had a first presented fair value gap. Just by the way. Just as a fun fact. No first presented. Wait, this might be it. As I say, no first presented. Nope, never mind. I'll be quiet. Gone. All the buy side liquidity I was keen on is gone. if I looked at the daily, I was like, cool. Theoretically, you would want to see it come and take out that freaking fair value gap it's created. But in the same breath, I don't know if we're going to get much more movement after that 800 and something stupid point move we had earlier. Literally, it was 800 and... Let's see, let's zoom all the way out here. Let's take it from the bottom of this candle up to the top here. 800 and... let's say 870 point move. That's just insane. Like what ICC said on Twitter, just observe. It's in a squeeze. It might be a rotation market today, be safe. Yeah. Guys, don't diddle in the middle. We haven't even, like I said, haven't even formed a first presented fair value gap. This is not what you want to be seeing. Pity. Okay. I don't know if it's true or not, but I see you just on the trade. Huh? Oh, I don't know if it's true or not, but I see ICT just challenge. What? JP, say that again? I don't know if it's true or not, but I see you just tell... Where? Hi? Hey Kevin, designer, what's up? How are we doing? Sorry, I'm confused. JP, say that again. Who did ICT just challenge, or what did who did have? I was about to say, did I challenge someone? I hope not. I don't remember challenging anyone. If I did, I'm sorry. Seriously, I'm not up for challenging anybody. I would lose at most likely everything. I was like, a pie eating contest? Nope. Definitely don't have that. I got nothing. Oh, yo, there we go. Still do not have a first presented. Shoot, people. Let's just look on the 5-minute. Okay. Not even a good bob level going on over there. This is literally hands-off market conditions right now. Is anyone trading this, by the way? Hey, Springandi? No. This is Nasdaq Futures. What's up? Aw, thanks, Kevin. ICT, the person just openly challenged another trader to a trading chat. Oh! OTT, you there? I know someone that would know. OTT? I'm getting my popcorn ready. Do you know who the person is that he challenged? OTT! OTT, where you at? Because I can. Okay. Still no first presented. I was thinking of like cheeky things in the sense of this, but literally that's not even a 1-to-1 R trade. Maybe cheeky things like so. I thought if it broke the wick on either side, this might be where it heads to, but wait, could we be getting a first Let me be quiet. We have 30 seconds. If this starts pushing up, maybe? No, I don't think it's true. But if it was true, I miss fun. You probably challenged Fabio Valentini or those guys who trade order flow wrap. I hope it is, because just to expose which man, JP? I think that's the question. Who do you want to be exposed? Because it's a little bit conflicting what you're putting out there right now. Oh, I see Lucas has made me get the book out. Dealing with difficult people. Ah. No. Colleagues to throttle? No, that would make him in the same league. Can't call him a colleague. Massaging the egoist, that's it. That's the one. That's the one right there. Beating the bullies at their own game? Maybe that's it. Yep, I think that's it. That's the one. Oh well. Hopefully he's gone. Makes no difference in my life. If it is true, gonna be fun to watch. I would love to see ICT versus Pet. CT trades live, and it is so much more Valentino trades live and wins consistently over and over. They have quite a rivalry. Oh damn. Chill dude? Oh, he's officially trackable, so I don't think he is a scammer at least. Interesting. Very interesting. Wait, oh my gosh, we got it first presented. Sorry, I got so distracted. Okay, first presented. Nice. I got distracted by that. That would be awesome to witness. Very good trade, I think. Would not struggle against anyone. OTT has a little bit of a point though. Let's say someone else, let's say for funsies, let's say ICT challenged someone and that someone lost. Would you then stop using their stuff just because they lost? Out of curiosity. Asking for a friend. Okay, wait, JP, pause. Time out. You're allowed to have your opinions. I've said this plenty of times. You are definitely allowed to have your opinions. You know, if you don't like them, that's fine. That's fine. But I know for a fact that ICT has helped a lot of people. You know, and a lot of people, his stuff works for them. So if it doesn't work for you, that's fine. If it doesn't work for him, that's fine. If it's helping someone else out there, then it is what it is. Hello from Patrick. Scotch videos about volume profile. Nice, chill dude. Hey Karth, no, I didn't take this trade. I was saying potentially this, but I'm not convinced. I'm also kind of hands off until we get some confirmations with all this chaos right now. Because this is pretty chaotic right now. Don't defend the man, ICT is abroad. I'm just saying, I'm not defending anyone. I'm defending people that use his methods and that really respect him. That's it. I'm saying respect other people's trading styles. Like I said, it may not work for you. Maybe you don't like it, you think it's rubbish, but maybe in one way or another, he helped someone, and that's all that matters at the end of the day. But I'm being neutral here. You know, all it is about just respect other traders. ICT built the cool system, but you know how they say those who can do and those who can't teach? interesting, Louis. That's interesting. Okay. But like you said, it's a cool system. Maybe he struggles just with following his rules. Like you said, I don't know why he is or is not profitable. I don't know. I try and stay out of that. But I feel like the point is that he helps some people. Like OTT is profitable using ICT strategies. Boom, he's helped someone. It's okay if you make profit, who cares? Exactly, chill dude. But Fabio Autoflow videos, he's a good trader. There we go. His concepts are good. We're not disputing his concept and talk about the person himself. I get it, but again, if he somehow helped someone, then it's fine. What's in the chart? What's up, Jacob? Chaos. For lack of a better word, chaos is in the charts right now. I'm kinda hands off until we just get something. Literally anything that indicates we're not just going to be chopping sideways. Things I'm gonna... person who told me the best. I've been for following because he follows his own rules. Nice, there we go. I have a lot of respect for people that follow their rules because it's what I aim to do, right? My aim is to be able to follow my own rules no matter what. And them rules say don't trade in the chop, which is why I'm not trading this chop, but oh my gosh. Kinda disappointed. I was kind of hopeful. I mean, I missed New York on Friday, so naturally it looked like a really nice day to trade. I know the markets do not care about who I am, but sometimes I'm convinced that they are watching and they're like, okay, she's not gonna be here. Now's the time. Let's do this. I said 100 because you're still being able or not. It's gonna help me get a pink Bugatti faster. What's up, T-Sav? How you doing? Welcome to the chaos. There's drama in the chat today. I tried to neutralize it. No one's listening, so it may. Oh, it's raining. I wanted to go for a run this afternoon, but okay. Screw my plans then. I can name so many good mentors that don't use ICT that I know would make you profitable. Just find what works for you, like what Maya loves saying. There we go. Thanks, OTT. Because it's facts. And you know what facts are?
Nice.
Hey, Stan, what's up? How you doing? You can't have a pink one because Maya's getting a pink Bugatti. No, don't worry, Debbie. Me and OTT are gonna get matchy pink Bugattis, right, OTT? Then we're gonna drive around looking all cool with our sunglasses on, pretending like we know what the heck we're doing with our lives. I love it. Pink Bugatti mine. Aw, okay, fine. Damn, I won't get a pink Bugatti with you. My bad. I thought you wanted us to be cool together, but it's fine, OTT. I see how it is. Oh my gosh, are we getting a Mojo Jojo set up? Please. Are we? I cannot tell. Potentially. Let's see. Untradeable. I locked myself out. Good idea. Good idea. Smart. Oh damn, okay, I see how it is then. Okay guys, I guess I gotta find myself a new car. So apparently I'm not allowed a pink Bugatti. Ah, there we go. Okay, cool. Never mind, I'm allowed one. Pink Bugatti Club. Whoop whoop whoop. Drive around Centurion, looking cool. Getting pulled over by all the cops because we're driving Bugattis. I was short before that move. Oh, No worries. I took a quick scalp for a few hundred, but I'm just waiting. I like the 700s. Let's see, like I said, if I took this bob to bob, I would still low-key be in this, but this is... Oh my gosh, okay. This is not looking amazing, is it? Pink, never that. Indigo for me. Get a pink whatever, and I'll get an indigo. I don't even know what that is, Louis. Sorry, I'm actually really dumb when it comes to cars. Which is ironic, because I used to, like, date a race car driver, but still, I have no idea. I don't even know what that is. I just want a truck. There we go. The type of pink so bright you lose your eyesight. Exactly. People can't help but stare at you. Most people think Fibonacci's are real and meaningful numbers, but it has almost no meaning. But any trader still uses it and make profit. Interesting. What about my GAN box, chill dude? Careful. Careful. I'm listening. Tell me. No, I'm kidding. Just messing with you. Or am I? Dun dun dun. Gotta be messing with you because what is this? Oh my gosh. I just thought of a meme for this chaos. It doesn't work. You know that, what are those? But just with regards to this price action, what is this? I feel like bob farming is always nice and it just doesn't make any sense to me. You can take quick scalps, but I just feel like I don't want to be caught in a short-term trend when I want long. Yeah, well, whatever works for you. I really like the bob to bob. It just something clicks about it. And again, that is the whole point of this conversation, right? It does not matter what you use to trade, how you trade, if you're in and out within seconds, if you hold for hours, if it works for you and you are profitable and you are part of the 5%ers, bam, that would have been a win. And you are part of the 5%ers, then good for you. I think that is the only thing that really counts, is that, you know, seriously, good for you. If you made it, awesome. If you're profitable no matter what concept you use, well done. It's a super well, I mean, I got that. I just have absolutely no clue what it looks like. Should I go and Google what it looks like? Which not for me, but also track key pivot areas on the 4 hour. Low-key nasty, it plays out amazing, right? Right? Thanks, TSAV. Because it's just facts. Like that rejection off of there. Like I said, this would have been, wait, sorry, entry would have been there. That would have been TP. I know that's closer to 1-to-1, but does it matter? A win is a win. I want to see it retest, if it's going to retest. Let's see what this looks like on the 5-minute now. Oh, I can see my Wi-Fi is having a freak out. Sorry about that. No way. Oh, I saw the rejection and now it's just running away. Oh shoot, I would have liked to see it retest. Why are we like this? Why are we like this? Oh, Wi-Fi. Oh, Wi-Fi. Please make it make sense why fiber is having a freak out when there is a storm. Fiber is underground. Fiber has nothing to do with the storm. Look it up and see what it looks like. Okay, Louis, I'm on it. I'll do it now. Let me just quickly see what this does. That was a solid freaking rejection engulfing. Oh, God. This is a solid bob to bob right here. Kevin Designer, you think this is now going to be sells? If we're being honest, this just looks like chaos regardless, bob to bob, boom. was that rejection off of there. So theoretically entry, I know I didn't take it because I'm low-key terrified of this price action today. Anywho, if I did take it, there we go, nearly a 1 to 2 hour trade right there. Not bad, not bad, not bad. I don't know if I would have, I mean, clearly we're not respecting this first presented anymore. Bruh, if this goes back up to the bob level, I'm gonna start laughing. Okay. I'm curious about what this car looks like now. Decent rejection off of the first presented. Yep, I'm hands off of this chaos. Because this is chaos right now. So I'm hands off for a second. Let's quickly check what this car looks like because I am thoroughly intrigued. I am thoroughly intrigued about what this car looks like. So let's do this. Ooh! Oh, it's pretty. And you want an Indi- This is a nice color. This blue is a nice color. Okay, yeah, damn, it's pretty. Do we even have this in South Africa? I'm sure we do. Someone must. I don't hate it. To be fair, I'm actually a fan of McLaren's, but yeah, no freaking ways. Sorry. Nuh-uh. I have to start getting a little bit more confident with these bob to bob levels. Because seriously, that would have been 1, 2. I am kind of keen on this going back up to the bob level, but I could be wrong. I mean, seriously, we can't be bouncing between this that much. I stand corrected. Pity about that. Entry a little bit higher would have been quite nice for it to go back up. So I said this one would have been cheeky, so I probably wouldn't have taken that. I liked this rejection. I kind of wanted to see it retest into this, which it did not do. If it had retested back into this, I would have taken the short, but it just went. Same with this right now, rejected right off of that bob level. Now rejecting off the first presented. I want one, so I'll start dreaming now. There we go. I guess that's my next car, right? No Mojo Jojo. Nah, it's not really a Mojo Jojo. Sorry, rude. It's ping-ponging between the old Bobby to Bubba Rooney. I love it. I'm gonna need a pink mansion at this point. OTT, that'll be hilarious. Please do that. Please do that. We're gonna dump today, but it's gonna take all day to get to it. OTT, what we're good. Hey Shane, what prop firm? I'm currently using Top One. Well, I'm funded with Top One Futures currently. My next account I want to be a Traderfy account though. I'm still on the fence about whether to make it a Traderfy Select or not. I'm on the fence about it. It's easier to talk on WhatsApp. Can I get your number? That was low-key smooth, but no. I also ping for you. I'm ping. Thanks. That's not gonna be stuck in my head, but that's okay. No ways. Sorry, I'm saying no ways to this. Ow! My elbow. I mean, it would have been cheeky just because I wanted the bob to bob level. Let's see if this would have worked out. Like I said, this price action just sucks. There's no other word for this right now. Is anyone trading this? Have I had any problems? No, not really. And they're really quick at responding. So there was one day there was an issue syncing with TradingView. So the balances were different. But apart from that, and they were very quick at responding. Like I said, super quick at responding. Within 5 minutes, they got back to me. So that was really, really cool. But yeah, no issues for me that I've had. That being said, I haven't asked for payout yet. I'm not there yet. So I can't give you, yeah, they're amazing with payouts because I haven't had one yet. So with everything else though, they're good. Kevin? No. Hello, sweetie pie. Oh, Periwinkle. Okay, Periwinkle's gone. Damn. Like I said, this would have been cheeky. It would have worked. But it would have been cheeky. And back bob to bob. How many times do you think this can go in... I've lost English. How many times do you think this can go bob to bob? Because this is insane. This is actually insane. I hear my phone going crazy. What's happening? The root is futures good. I like them, but I mean, I don't have experience in others, so I'm a little bit well, you know, I can't have much of a bias if I'm just used to futures, but I like them. And from what I've heard from lots of people that have traded a bunch of different things, futures are really good. I took sells in a bit and drawdown, but it hasn't gotten close to my stop loss. I'm just sitting here admiring the view and noise, Louis. I have no clue why. I think it just seems like it could be a Guardian white, but it can't. B-Wagon just had aura. What's up, Dom? How you doing? I mean, shoot, if I was doing bob to bob, I could have had 1, 2, 3 trades. Damn. Oh well. To be fair, this is just Chip Chop City right now, so it is what it is. And Bob's Bob. Okay. This is getting insane. That was 3 bob to bobs in a row. 1, 2, 3. Bruh. If this not presents a nice setup, I might take another bob to bob here. It's happening too quickly. I can't get in unless I mark it in, but I'm not brave enough to mark it in just yet with the bob to bob levels. I prefer getting confirmations and shoot, man. Like this. A double wick at the top. This is going back down. You must be kidding me. Wait for confirmation, but you must be kidding me. Three winning trades and it works. Literally, this is a little bit insane. Like I said, I'm not comfortable enough. Technically, I could have taken this one. This one wouldn't have been a market in. That one would have had to have been market in either as it rejected or as it took there. Same goes for this one. Maybe when it came back down, you could have had entry here. It was a little bit nerve-wracking with the first presented though, but you know, shoulda, coulda, woulda. I'm still I'm not 100% with the bob levels yet, and that's fine. I am forward testing. Not only am I forward testing, I'm forward testing with a funded account. Not the best thing to do, but it is what it is. We do what we can to adapt to the markets that are in front of us. Thanks, JP. Good for long attention. Hey, the route, have I tried Bookmap before? I have not. I've heard good things, similar to like Sierra charts, right? In 15 minutes, my model says it's gonna range or go up. Just bias, maybe wrong. Interesting. Well, chill, dude, I get the going sideways chip chop rubbish because this is low-key what it's doing. But let's see. Kevin, why are we laughing? What's up? Go long in your zone 9:30. Oh, you think it's gonna come back, retest this 9:30 and 5-minute zone? I should maybe actually mark that as the 5-minute as well, just in case people are wondering. Okay, we've definitely had the 15. Where's the 15-minute? Well, here's the 15-minute zone. Alrighty then. Sorry, I'm pulling a face because... Seriously. Good rejection off of there. Let's see what this looks like. Don't think it's gonna nap. That's going back up now. I mean, it's a pity. Would have been a nice 3-hour trade. Damn. Pretty solid 3-hour trade. What does this look like on the 1 minute now? Let's see. Ooh. Yeah, see, I would have wanted entry to at least be at the bottom of this candle, so not quite a 3-hour. Whoopsie daisies. There we go. Okay, this is going back up. It's about to take out some liquidity. I don't know why I said it like that, but we're going. Bookmap is just okay, so you liquidity itself in numbers I don't use, but it's so cool. Yeah, chill, dude. It's the same as those Sierra charts. Do similar things. Hey, Thilan, what's up? What's up, my friend? What is the risk and return ratio? Well, this is something I'm just forward testing, so it kind of varies, but it's close to, let's make it 1.5R. I mean, there was one day where it was a 1.4R. No, sorry, a 1 to 4R, which was ridiculous, but my strategy is a 1 to 2R strat. Liquidity, yeah. Sierra is just expensive. Damn. Like, expensive. Super duper expensive. Awesome, dumb, thanks. Okay. Rejection off the top. See how it reacts here. That was a solid rejection. Wait, what time is it? Okay, we still have time. We have 10 minutes before these bob levels are invalid. Oh, could be going back up. Oh, I see that 700 level there. I see, JP. I see. Noise. Not a fan of that wick. I want to see a bit more of a solid engulfing. That's what I would like to see. Maybe retest. If it retests and rejects solidly off of that 50%, then this could be a goodie. If being the keyword, right? See, like there's a 3R. Okay. Did you say how much capital you have left on your funded? Schmeck? Wait, sorry, I'm focused. That was a good rejection. Good rejection. But it's still struggling. Let's look on the 5-minute. How long has the 5-minute got? Oh damn, 5-minute has 3 minutes left of this. Shoot. I prefer confirmation on the 5-minute to be fair. But that was a solid rejection. No doubt about that. Okay, so, note to self, I had this, I liked it, maybe I should have taken it. Again though, I guess there's the shoulda, woulda, coulda. Here's the auto. We see a dump and pump, just wait. I'm waiting. You're still saying 8 minutes left. If this works out, I might kick myself for not taking this, but that being said, this is quite a scary market today. Anyways. It is near 1/2 past. 5 minutes, this candle's just going. Yeah, that would have been the damn entry. Okay. And it would have been a 3R trade, which is really good. I think my stop loss is gonna get slapped. Sorry, Louis! To be fair, today's an odd day. Today's a very odd day. Oh shoot, I lied. Nearly a 4R. Wait. Would have made that 50. There we go. 3.28. I seriously need to start getting more confident with these trades. Cause wow, just wow. Looks like it's trying to go to two. Not again, not again. We have been stuck on 25500 for so long. 3D printing looked good. Grief. If it does, I'm gonna be so shocked. Like I said, we have been stuck on that for ages. So 6 minutes to go until 10:30. Then bob to bobs are no longer allowed. Gotta do the bob to bob levels within the first hour. There was a time where I believed institutional traders hunted my stop loss. It's so funny now that I know. Still do, to be fair, sometimes I'm convinced they do that to me. Seriously, I know I'm so insignificant in the grand scheme of things, but sometimes I am actually convinced that they are watching and they're like, this will be funny. Let's stop loss hunt her with her 1 micro. Again, so insignificant. let's stop loss hunter with her one little micro, and then just go from there. But I think that's it. There's such big players out there. Like, I'm just a teeny tiny, I don't even want to call myself a little fish. I'm like a little microorganism. Just there. Okay, here we go. Hey, Mr. Chaos, what's up? How you doing? How's it going? How's it going? Hope you're doing good. Have to move away slowly. I'm getting there. I had a little win this morning. Right? Had a little win this morning. I'm back up to 48,800. Which is not bad. Slowly but surely, I'm clawing my way out of the hole. That was my drawdown. Used to think I was personally being targeted. Exactly. Exactly. Zal feels fine when I'm like, oh, what do you call that effect? Time delay. Ah! Time flies when you're having fun. And we have fun here together. That's why sometimes I look and I'm like, 2 hours have gone by. Oh, damn. Didn't even realize that 2 hours had gone by, but just, oh, here we go. Nah, this might be... No, let's not speak just yet. Interesting. Ending my day green so far, so good. Yeah! Nice, Mr. Chaos. No butterfly step by step. Attention to take a long sink my entry. Okay. So Dom, you're still convinced it'll come back down here and then you're good to go. Shoot. I'm just watching what it does here. If it rejects solidly, I could get back into this, but I know everyone's saying, you know, be careful of buys here. This could be, but trend is friend until it's not, right? We've been trending upwards slowly but surely. Let's see how it reacts here at that midpoint. Here's a rejection. 18, 17 seconds. Okay, not rejecting. Nah. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, no rejection. Cool. We're going down. It's going down. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Yeah. That's gonna be stuck in my head now. So theoretically, I guess the 5-minute confirmation is there, but that's a teeny tiny itty bitty little baby trade. Oh, we're going back up. Seriously? Seriously? Today feels like what chaos was made from. I don't like that it closed below. This could reject off of here now, and this is the confirmation short. Ah, I'm watching. I'm watching. Comes fake news of wild. Is it confirmed that it was fake, Mr. Chaos? I got so close to my stop loss drop, baby drop. Took a CSD short. I was itching to fresh shorts. Why didn't you, OTT? That's the rejection. Ah! That's the rejection you want to see there. Off of that level. Be going back down now properly. Shoot. I'm pulling a faith because theoretically, I shouldn't take any bob to bob levels. There was no A+ setups for me anyway here. Nope, nothing. That was A+ earlier on for my strategy. Just been forward testing these bob to bobs now. Dylan, what are the rules you have to stick with regards to? Oh, the bob to bob one. Within the first hour, it's done. So can't take any more bob to bob levels because an hour is done. I mean, Bob did say to push an hour and a half, but you really want to be messing with that, right? Ryan said there's no talks with Trump. Don't know if you can trust anyone. I know, Mr. Chaos. Now I'm confused. I'm like, is there talks or I think that's why people could say whatever they want. Some people are going to believe it, some aren't. Could be true, could not be true. We don't know. There's literally no way of us knowing. Well, that being said, I guess we will know if things start going better. We're getting one move up, then we go down. We just low-key look like we're going to be stuck at this level now. Oh, I had such high hopes for today. Pity. What a pity. I mean, that being said, I am green for the day, so I must actually just be quiet. Green is green. Oh, but what's up? Did you just wake up now? Did you take some trades? What happened? Did you see this? 1, 2, 3. This one I didn't take because it was super choppy. This one, it rejected so quickly that I would have had to have marketed in. There was no confirmation or no retest. Same here. I mean, this theoretically maybe could have been a retest, but there was no confirmation on the 5-minute. It just kind of ran off. I did not take this one because this just didn't seem right. I can't put my finger on what was wrong with it, but anyways. Ah, maybe now this is where it goes up. Problem is on the 5-minute. The correct entry would be up here, which is not great. Hey Wade, long time no see. How's it going? How's the teachings? How's the music? Is the music being amazing? How long does we wait for confirmation? Kevin, why are we laughing right now? What happened? Like a double wickless over there. Interesting. Let me check what I found there. I need to put up about the news in our general chat. Let me go check the Discord. Should I read it out loud? Maybe not. Maybe. There was no direct or indirect contact with Trump and claiming withdrew after his ruling. Let's see. I thought I was banned from the live, so I couldn't comment for a while. That's weird. Wait, I know that did that to to a few people. I don't know why. And stuff. How's the trading been? It's okay. Wait, a bit of a dip, but it's fine. Oh no, it's past the 1 hour. Okay, I can't take this. Good grief. Calm down. This would be the trade though. Okay, well, I can't take it because it's past the first hour. Shoot. Well, let's see if it works. Oh. Okay. Now it's just gone below. Spirit Time Trading, good afternoon, what's up, how you doing? Did you see that insane candle from earlier? Like, what did I say it was? It was 870 points? Yeah, it was 870 points. That is absolutely insane. So this one would have been a loss. Okay, it looks like the bears are taking over. Well, again, we're just kind of stuck right now. Can't take these trades, it's past the hour. Let's see if a decent A+ setup forms for me. I don't have very high hopes today. I'm not very good at setting support and resistance yet. Kevin, what do you trade support and resistance? Fun fact of the day, this price action sucks. Louis, that is hilarious. True. But hilarious. Speaking of, should we do a quick butterfly of the day while we are sitting here watching it go sideways? Right? Not recommended. You know my opinion? Just wait. I know, Dom. I know what your opinion is. Oh no, we're stuck in the zone. We are absolutely stuck in the zone right now. Fun fact of the day. Okay, wait. I think we have to do butterfly of the day. Seeming as we are in a bit of a rut right now with regards to the price action, and it's going maybe down now. I'm still watching while we pick a day or a butterfly. There. Oh damn! What a banger butterfly for today. What? It's called an eyed pansy, which is kind of rude. Sorry, I'm still just watching this. Then I will continue with butterfly of the day because this butterfly is so pretty. Oh, so beautiful. I'm still just pulling faces at the price action though. I mean, there would have been an entry and then close to taking partials. Oh, okay. Anyways, let's look at the butterfly. So, sorry, not the car, but I mean the car is very pretty. I do like this car, but that's not the point. It is an eyed pansy butterfly. There it is. Look at how pretty this is. Look. How beautiful is this butterfly? Butterfly of the day. Monday, it's the Eyed Pansy, 35 to 48 millimeters wingspan, which is super duper cool. Distribution is widespread but uncommon, mostly inland, so savanna and grassland, from the Eastern Cape, Port St. John's, to KwaZulu-Natal, Swaziland, Mpumalanga, Limpopo, and Northwest Provinces, Gauteng, Free State, and Northern Cape. Habitats are flatlands and hillsides. Interesting. So flight period year-round in warmer areas, peaks August, November, and Feb, May. This is one of the coolest butterflies to date. How freaking beautiful! Oh, look at this one. This one has some purple in it. Anyways, sorry. Sorry, that was my face reading sugar honey iced tea. The Latin name. Oh, damn. It's Junonia orthia madagascariensis. Nailed it. There's butterfly of the day. Beautiful. I love this one. Back to the charts. And look at that. So this one would have been a partial. Was this even an A+ though? This was a B setup because there was a itty bitty tiny fair value gap and a shelf. That was it. What the heck was that noise? What just happened? Oh, are we frozen? Cool. Can you guys still hear me? I feel like that's an important question. Can you guys still hear me? Yes or no? Just give a thumbs up. Yes, no, maybe? Can you guys still hear me? Frozen. Cool. Okay, but can you hear me? Mr. Chaos. That's what... Oh, cool. Okay, so you guys can hear me. That's all that matters. So I'm a little bit frozen, but I can try and fix that. Ready? Let's see if this works. I'm back. Okay, so back we are. At least you could hear me. So here we go. We can see here that we would have taken partials and then potentially break even. Woo! Down we go. Just oh so slowly. I'm back, baby. Guess who's back? Back again. Do do do.
Okay, let's go.
Anyways, sorry, we're having fun. It just lags out now and then. Sorry, Spirit Time. It's also, there's a storm happening outside. I know you actually can't hear it, but there's a huge storm going on outside, which makes sense. I have fiber, but storms are affecting the Wi-Fi. Anyways, it's fine. Guys, who has a friend that can make the market start moving? Who wants to give a friend a call and get the market to start just humping away? So just out of curiosity, do you apply time cycles? Oh, I know someone that would love you. No, not really. I know I probably should, right? I'm assuming you apply time cycles, right? And you use the double... Jules knows you, correct? Do you know Jules? Seeing that you're so I use some SMC concepts. Take the camera, show us the storm. Mr. Chaos, I cannot. That is fixed. I can't move it. Unfortunately. There we go. Okay, so you use the W and the M formations, or the XX... No? MMXM, right? You use MMXM. Beetlejuice. Wait! Are we going? The time looking like? Okay, we still have... Well... time. What did this look like on the 5-minute? This actually low-key looks like it was a good confirmation. Hello. There would have been entry for short using Bob's Bob levels. 956. Oh, sorry. I know you guys didn't hear that, but my whole back just clicked. AMD, there we go. I don't know, Jules was going, is just buy side, sell side. I don't know, but do you use that? Do you use the W and the M formations, basically? That's, I just call them the W and the M's. Sorry, now X's and the O's have gotten stuck into my head. Well, all right then. I was just about to say that was a decent rejection of the 50%, but looks like the buyers are back in control. Yeah, I'm not even gonna sugarcoat it. Spare time trading, I am not the best at seeing the W and the M formations. Now and then I see them, but I think they're like the stupid obvious ones. But otherwise I am at seeing them. I'm really, really bad. Again, it's past oh my gosh, Wi-Fi. 27 watching. What a crazy news candle, right? Bob? Bob, did you take a trade, by the way? Oh my gosh. I see a lot of trap buyers there, yeah. I just see chaos everywhere right now. Okay. They go without. So my entry is long now and first presented. I'm actually just not convinced about any of this right now, but that's okay. That's okay. I had a little win during London. I don't have to be chasing things right now. It is what it is. So that candle popped up, I was like, yo, chill. No way, so Mr. Chaos, you were watching it solidly, and that must have been insane to witness. Seriously. That... Do you know what else is insane to witness? This right now. This freaking irritating stuff. Had a dream on the phone and said, there. Louis, I can't tell if that's real or not. Did you actually, like... Did you actually? We have a small liquidity in first presented and then later up. Guys, oh no. Sorry, is this super laggy today? There we go. Hopefully it sorts itself out. Not so many people trying to trade this, and smart money's just waiting. Well, this is some hands-off BS for me right now, so I wouldn't quite say I'm trying to trade this. We don't have Starlink down here, JP. You did? Which one, Bob? Ah! Ah, damn, that was...
That's what she said.
OTT? TP? Was a TP hit? OTT, what's a bang? What happened? What happened? What happened? What happened? Woo! Well, in that case, seriously. Whoop whoop. Sorry, I'm saying seriously to the Wi-Fi. Sorry guys, hope you'll be better tomorrow. That's classified, it's above your pay grade. Aww! That's not very nice. Just because I haven't gotten a payout yet, hey. That's mean, that's... Payoutist. Yeah, JP, we don't have Starlink here in South Africa. I'm ready, fullback confirmed, and go long. All good questions. Who knows? Yes, I'm back in profit. Hey, Louis! That is amazing. Well done. Whoop whoop. Sorry, can you see me debating my whole life? This is not A+, do not do it. This is just FOMO, taking control. Leave it alone. It's not A+, it's not A+. It had 2 confluences. An A setup has 3. So hands off. Do I bother doing this? Do I bother making myself upset? Entry? It isn't Africa like Nigeria, but with our government and beef with Elon. There we go. Oh, I like that. Oh, I like that a lot for potential short here. Good rejection, little double tap into that 50%. That'd be nice to see. Shoot, man. To be fair, it's a bit difficult to get A+ with this chaos going on right now. Well, it's why I didn't take it, right? Why I didn't take it. I did like that double top tick. Ah, sigh. Just all of the sighs. Huh, not bad. Damn, theoretically, it was A+. 1, 2, I forgot the 50% of the bob zones are actually really good. Shoot, was actually an A setup. That's okay. Rather miss trade than taking an incorrect trade. Wait, see what trash commodity shall provide. Put that in a coffee mug. Oh man, that's hilarious. Pity. Oh well. I guess it is what it is. Seriously? 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 Sorry, I'm saying seriously to the Wi-Fi. It's a bad, guys. I have a feeling it's bad. I'm so sorry. Oh, this is so slow. Okay, there was a push. That's not what you want. Oh, but the slow move to a higher time frame will look more clear. I mean, to be fair, I can tell you that this is just gonna look sideways no matter where I go. Yep. I mean, I think I might want to come for this high. What, at 764? It's just gonna get there so slowly. Oh, so slowly. Not that bad, just bad. With no teeth, that's not bad. Oh my gosh, OTT, that's amazing. It's not like bad, but it's not okay. So it's just bad. It's bad. It's a sheep. It's a sheep day. I'm gonna try push the top one more time, then it's ready to dump. I see we're back to conflicting views betwixt everyone. Okay, JP, so you think the shorts are about to come into play. Everyone else thinks this might start to long here. I believe this might just go sideways after that massive push we had earlier. I just need one confirmation. There we bar. Exactly. It's a bar day. Not bad, but bar. It's just, it's sheepy. Oh, so sheepy. It doesn't get me to Bugatti. I'm gonna be a comedian. Why, OTT? Why a comedian though? But oh, just because of your bar. Got it, never mind. I mean, you could be. Except in South Africa, we don't really have any stand-up comedy things, do we? Maybe I'm just lame and I don't know any areas that do stand-up comedy. I don't think it's such a thing down here, which is kind of sad. I must say, in South Africa, like, nightlife, I'm gonna do nightlife like this, is non-existent. My friend that lives in London came down at like 10 p.m. She was like, cool, so where do you want to go out to like get a meal and stuff? I was like, nowhere? Everything is closed unless you want to go to a club like a 12-year-old. No, I'm kidding, not a 12-year-old, but unless you want to go to a club with all the youngsters, there is nowhere to go past 10 p.m. in South Africa. And that's pushing it. Not yet, we're still in the middle here in any decision, but it's not giving a play. Are we definitely tanking for the next couple of weeks? Interesting, Spirit Time Trading. You think this is just going to keep going down? Spirit Time Trading, did you see the tweet? Do you believe it's real or not? I'm not even getting an execution signal from my setup. How are you guys getting all these confirmations? Betwixt is a great word, thank you. I've been neglecting using it for the past 8 years, but I think I'll start giving it attention it's been begging for. Yeah. The only big one was Trevor Noah, but he's the only one that made it. True, especially as a South African comedian, yeah. I got long small order 2 contracts. My, you're a baby too. No, 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 no. See, it did it again. It did not post that twice. That's weird. Why is it doing that? It could just be the Wi-Fi having a mini meltdown today. Literally a mini meltdown. That's just how I feel. I don't know if that's just me. See, I'm no longer having fun and time's going backwards. I feel like we've got to make this now an ooper duper fun. Don't even know. Oh my gosh, I don't even know what this is. Maya and baby in the same sentence is crazy.
Emotional damage.
Bruh, that was so unnecessary, OTT, damn! You attacking me, it's because Solly hasn't been here for a while. Hey, you're like, you know what, let's make this fun. No, Louis, it could just be the Wi-Fi that's having a moment and it's just coming through. Sorry about that. Aw, bye, Mr. Chaos. Where you going? Like adding another dimension to me. It's so helpful. Interesting. Sorry, not here. I have to cover for. I knew it. I knew it. This was like a conspiracy between you two of how can we bully Maya the most. Ayo, Jody, what's up? How's it going? How's the trades? How's the setups? I got out with $100. Profit and glad I did to look at it go. Nice, Louis. Well done. Good decision. Good call. Good call. So still whoop whoop then. Well done. BT dubs, that would have been the entry there. It's way too late to take a Bob trade though, just by the way, but out of curiosity, I guess. Right now. Look at that. Let's look on the 5 minute. There. This could be it. This could actually be where it goes back up. Interesting. Anyways. Anywho. You're still at work. What? Why are you still at work, Jordy? What the heck, man? It's woo-woo without because it's like lukewarm water. So we got bad without the D, so it's just ba. We got whoop whoop without the P, so it's woo-woo. Anything else? Anything else? It's too much to type. Just gonna chat, just do my phone and everything, but thinking. Oh, sure. Absolutely, spirit time trading. Money never sleeps. I mean, that's bad, but still. You know who does need to sleep? Humans. Humans need to sleep. Oh, okay. I'm giving this 10 more minutes. Maybe we get something that's a freaking banger just now, but yeah. I mean, I don't hate this. I don't hate it. The only thing that I don't like is the fact that this price action sucks and an SMT was just created. Cool. So an SMT was just created now on ES. Well, I mean, Louis, you got me there, but I mean, anyways. This impulse, this too. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't trust the damn thing that's going on right now. Let's see if we get a little bit more confirmation happening soon. If this starts going back down, then that's, I guess, the confirmation that this is not going to work out. The same entry, same entry. Oh, there? Meh. And goodbye to you, seriously. Da 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 da. Done. Longs are gonna get squeezed soon. JP, how sure are you on that? I'm curious about your certain. Oh, okay. Well, that's not great. That's like a little triple top that's forming right there. But takes that, it could start going back down soon. Come on. I was oh so hopeful. And now I'm just sad. I really thought today would be a banger. Well, I guess if you were trading when that tweet came out, it was. Do I look at sentiment? Not really, spare time. Louis, I got him. Don't worry. Very distinct low volume node at 720. Oh, so yes, this bob to bob actually is a banger. Interesting. Louis, you get used to it. You learn to ignore it and you just carry on. People are weird on the internet. Literally, do you know how often a day I go, that's enough internet for today? And I have to put my phone down because I'm like, I can't do it. I can't do it. No, children, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. So now that you're back here, do you agree or not? Did you have a setup or meh? Was it a meh setup? I think if it breaks out of this, we're good to go. Interesting. Expected that pretty solidly. And chill, dude, do not stare, but don't say that. Mistakes happen. I've done that oh so many times before. Oh, so many times before. Bum, bum. And And it looks like volume has dried up. Maybe there was some insider trading going on, Debbie, who knows? But I mean, that's a wild thought right there. That's a wild thought. I don't know. And that's very sketchy. I take that back. I should never say that again, but who knows? With all the shenanigans that happen all over the world, I wouldn't be surprised. No, don't worry. Don't worry, you good, Deb. You good. People are definitely allowed to swear. Like I said, I actually swear like a sailor. I keep it PG-13 here because it's good. And I do feel like sometimes swearing brings forth emotions, whereas you need to just keep a lid on them. Let them go when you're off the charts. Go for it. Go scream into a pillow or do whatever you gotta do, but before then, it's fine. She'll do. I'm not in this, don't worry. I'm not in this trade. I'm not willing to risk... I'm not willing to risk it today, actually. It's just not worth it. These charts aren't giving me anything clean, anything nice, so my setup doesn't work. Even the bob to bob, I mean, theoretically it worked earlier within that hour, it was pretty solid, but... Can't trade bob to bob. It's already been an hour and a half. It's a no-go zone for trading bob to bob levels. This is more out of curiosity rather than anything else. And like I said, my strategy, it doesn't work for these days, where it almost overcorrects and wicks out and is just all over the place. It's wiki. It's wiki wrong for me to try and trade this. I am very aware that was, you don't have to say anything. I know.
Emotional.
I know how bad that was. Let's see if I my 2 cents. Alright, we'll hit TP at the second bob level up there. Oh, that is awesome! Well done, Louis. Hey, Riken, what's up? We have to break zone 1 now. Oh, you know what? I'm giving this how many minutes? 3 more minutes. Let's give this 3 more minutes to show me something amazing. That's not what I wanted to see, but okay. You have 3 minutes whilst I walk for today. I mean, I'm still happy. I'm in the green for today. Not by a lot, but you know what? Slowly climbing your way out of the pits. The pits of drawdown is going to do that, so it's fine. Literally. How close was I to blowing the account? I think I was around $200 away from blowing my funded account. So now I'm clawing my way back up. Slowly but surely. I think that's the key. Slowly but surely, one good trade at a time. It's the only way to do it. Just one good trade at a time. Buy is coming. Dom, you're so confident. I love it. Oh, sorry. Okay, Spirit. Noted. I will. Spirit, out of curiosity. And OTT, you still here? Did you guys know that there's like a little mini, I don't want to call it a trading convention, that sounds like a lie. It's called a Traders Fair in South Africa. Did you know about that? So Traders Fair South Africa, August the 22nd, Johannesburg. Yeah. I don't know if you guys knew about that. I might actually end up going. You got a dub, I think that's killer. Aw, thank you. Louis, seriously, it only does it with yours. I wonder why. It has literally only been your messages that have been popping up twice times. Wow, no, awesome. Right? Third time, I'll send it to you. I was like, I think I need to go to this. Just, it seems interesting. I don't know if you're gonna learn anything, but worth having a look, right? Where is it? I might find myself a trader. We can do Friday night boarding accounts. It just says Johannesburg, so I don't know about the details. I'll have to see. I don't have the location. Wait. I'll have to send it to you guys. So Saturday, August 22nd, 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. South Africa time. Obviously. I'm gonna have to see. Let me see. So there's one thing that's free. Yeah. There's a free one where you can have access to the exhibition, workshops, and presentations. And then there's tickets for $200, where it's like the VIP, whatever. And that includes the exhibition, workshops, and presentations, personal badge, a lunch, and a cocktail party. Yeah, anyways, I'll probably go for the one that's free, but anyways, unless I get a payout by then I'll be like, the VIP, let's do this. Please do a fly up. Hey, Spirit, there we go. Spirit, you've told me where you are and I've completely forgotten already. But yes, there we go. Especially, I mean, it's in Johannesburg. I wonder where though. I must actually do some research. What's it called? Excuse me, $200. Yeah, I know. For lunch and a cocktail party, the cocktails better be, well, better be open bar, basically. It's... And live happily ever after. Should I try find it quick sticks for you guys? Sorry, now that we're on a little bit of a mission, let me quickly find it. Give me a second. There we go. It just says South Africa. The Golden Bridge Expo. No? Maybe not. No, it's not that. I lied. Let's see, I'm getting this going. There goes my partial win on gold. Yay? Ooh, happy? Sad. We can do the VIP. It's a business expense. Ooh! Well, for you, maybe. I'm in break even. I talked Matt into buying flowers and he did. Bless them. Sweetie. Yeah. $200 they letting me test drive a Bugatti. Like losses, it's deductible. Damn, that's cool. That's very, very cool. Here we go. Sorry, I know this is just for South Africa, but I thought it was interesting. So if you guys are keen, here we go. Yeah. Traders Fair, South Africa, August 2020. August 2020. August 22nd, 2026, Johannesburg. It just says Johannesburg though. This fair has rapidly expanded presence, making it marked worldwide, one country at a time with regular stops. Blends a classic offline experience with cutting-edge energy, 24/7, blah, 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 blah. So there's seminars and workshops led by industry-renowned experts, unparalleled networking opportunities with international brands and key industries. True highlight of events is the Trader Awards. Oh, there's the Traders Awards. Okay, agenda. Expo, get ready for the expo. Awesome seminars, expo closing, dinner, and evening celebrations. I'm sure, like, that's probably that. It still doesn't say where, though. Oh, damn, there's a lot happening. Venue, here we go. Protea Hotel, Johannesburg. Wanderers. Oh! Oh! Oh, damn, okay. No ways, I know exactly where this is. This is where, huh. Okay. Protea Hotel. That's where it is. We found the venue, guys. I found the venue, so it's fine. We have answers. Sorry. Back to the charts. I went on a bit of a deep dive there. Moving on. So let's see. If I had taken that trade, it would have been a loss, so that's fine. Now, how's everyone gonna go shopping for their own wife if they don't know where it is? Baby, as a woman as amazing as you are, give me lady advice to find someone. Why do you never ask me for lady advice? What the heck, man?
Emotional damage.
$200. No. So OTT, it's free. It's $200 if you want the lunch and the cocktails. Otherwise, it's free. Okay, so let's go back in one more time. I'll show you. So back in. So say get ticket. Free ticket. Free. Unless you want the VIP ticket, which is $200. That includes the personal badge, lunch, and cocktail party. But otherwise, it looks like it's free. 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. on Saturday, August 22nd. But yeah, that has a dollar sign over there. A dollar right there. Which is a lot, so okay. Anyways. Yeah, damn, there was that drop. Nicely called, guys. Maya, we both single. You know what? You know what? Flipping hell, that was hilarious. Anyways, that's 10k miles away from you. Gonna be way more than $200 plus what the exchange rate for. Oh, Louis, you're good. You're good. I think one Aussie dollar is like 11 rand or something. Should help you grow as you should for her. Stay true to yourself. Meet the right person and never settle for anyone. Aww. A ticket for 3,300 rand. Like I said, it better be an open bar. We go to VIP. Oh my goodness. I might go to it for their vibes. It's 8 days before my birthday. Woo! Hot. Hey! There we go. That'll be cool. I'm still very keen to go to it. It sounds like a plan. I am very keen. Maybe just the free version though, where I'm just there going, yay! And I'm just glad to be part of things, and that's about it. So obviously I've never gone to any form of trading expo ever. Okay. Guys, I think I'm calling it. Yeah. What? Are you serious? Golf event this pub. Okay, thank heavens I don't like golf. That's so expensive. $1,000. $1,000. $1,000. Just give me a moment to wrap my brain around that. It's the Camp Lion. I would be curious to see how many women actually show up to it. To be fair, I think that would be interesting. How many women actually rock up to a trading fair, especially in South Africa? I'm saying South Africa wise. Wait, Maya, can you send me a link to the event? OTT? Sure thing, Chicken Wing. I'll send, yeah. Yes, I just said sure thing, Chicken Wing. Don't judge me. I'm just gonna send you this. Have a look-see. Let me know what you think. If it's even worth it. Actually, let me send it to you too, Spirit, if you don't mind. Or if you want it, rather. There you are. Okay. I think I'm calling it, guys. Really? Are there? Are there a lot of women traders in South Africa? I'm judging. Rude. How rude. Well, then it would be nice to... Well, I mean, I know... Obviously, I know about Iris, right? Who else do you know, OTT? Sorry, now we're having like a little bit of a Sappha conversation over here, but that's fine. Who do you know, OTT? I'm curious. What's their names? I need the details. No, I'm kidding. That was very creepy. I'm so sorry. I will stop. I'll stop. I'm sad that this price action is doing this to me. Just kidding. It has absolutely nothing to do with me. So there was that one. Like I said, that would have been 1, 2, 3 Bob to Bob levels, which is pretty decent. I guess it is kind of moving now. What does this look like on the 5-minute? It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. I thought you meant there's actually a lot of traders. Oh my gosh! No, Louis, good grief. I mean, there's trades with Chantalis on Instagram, and then her comments was filled with women traders. I'm gonna have to go check her out. Thanks, OTT. OTT, do you mind sending me? Do you even have me on Instagram? If you do, send me the link, I'm curious. Or send it to me on Discord, whichever works. But I'm then gonna call it there before I do something I maybe regret. So I'm gonna call it there for today, guys. I mean, unfortunately no trade during New York, but this is bad, just bar. Anyway, so this is bar, and that's fine. But we're still in the green for today. Had a little partial break even during London, which is not bad. Yeah, really, really not bad. But I'm then gonna call it there for today. Not a bad day, not a great day, but it's okay. We still have the rest of the week. Today was only Monday, guys, which means we have so many more opportunities. I'm super excited. Remember, day trader, not everyday trader. You don't have to take a trade every single day. Stick to your rules. Consistency is key, and just, you know, be smart and trade safe. Trade safe. There we go. Nailed it. I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. You guys are always thebomb.com. I will continue to be typing on Discord now. I love you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I will then see you guys tomorrow. London and New York Open. Let's do this. You guys are the best. I love you. Trade safe.